ingredients?
No. Say hi to the people. So you guys, it's really late now, and I forgot to actually do the video of Ron trying it, but he's still eating it. And it's hot.
Spicy.
Spicy, yeah.
I'm no trooper with spicy food.
It's. What do you think, though?
It's dehydrated. Do I think it's great? No. The regular way is 10 times better.
Of course, it's deep fried and battered.
This, it's okay.
But better than the other wings we made. Do you agree or no?
No.
No?
Mm-mm.
So not better. The other ones are better?
No.
Just as eh?
Yeah.
Just as eh.
Yeah.
Oh, well, we tried it. It's dinner. It's healthy.
We'll do it again, though.
I actually ate mine over salad. And that was really tasty. I made my own dressing.
At this point, it feels like I'm eating raw peppers. Spicy peppers.
Oh, yeah. As I was saying, I made my own salad dressing. It was lemon juice, lemon zest, garlic, and apple cider vinegar. Oh, and olive oil. And I put that over spinach greens. And then I put that cauliflower stuff on top of it. And it was good.
And can you imagine how strong this would be if you actually put all the ingredients in?
I know.
Spicy.
I didn't put, it called for a teaspoon of chili powder.
This thing's spicy.
I put like less than a half of a quarter teaspoon of it in there.
My lips are burning. And that is not.
He's got hot lips.
That's not being. I'm not being a drama person either. My lips are on fire.
Oh, fire! All right, you guys, it's late. I'm gonna end this video. The lighting is low because it's freaking late. Ron worked really late today. So we will talk to you another time. Say bye to the people.